In 1965, the Pakistan launched the operation. That what operation they are fighting against the Indian. So what they the who lead that operation? Ajin sir. The leading the that fight, that war lead by the Ajin sir. How he lead? With the courage and the determination. What is determination? Determination with full of energy and full of enthusiasm. That his focus is on the war, how to save the our country people. And professional skill, what skill he has learned in the training period, was he what his skill that he's learned in the training period, all this skill as implement or applied in that war with the Pakistan. Next point. Yes, Sonam 10th B, roll number 15. Unmute yourself.
Who has in,
He
who has who
he
he
inspired
inspire IAF to victory despite the constraints imposed on the full scale use of Air Force command power.
he got in 1965. He fight with the Pakistan Air Force, Pakistan Defense Air Sector, and he get victory. What victory? Against the Pakistan. Against the Pakistan, and he imposed the full scale Air Force power. He imposed all the power. He used all the power to get the win, to get the victory. And due to this performance at that time, during that war, what he get? The rank upgraded. Due to his performance in the war, the rank get upgraded to air marshal, to air chief marshal in the Indian Air Force. Okay. And he also awarded, what awarded we get? Padma Shri. Padma Shri award he get. See, Padma Bhushan in India is the very highest award. Only few people get this award, Padma Bhushan award. Only few people. From these people, Ajin sir is the one of this who get that award at that time. It will take longer time to get this award, but Ajin sir at during this war, after the war, he awarded at a Padma Bhushan. Why he awarded? Because of the leadership, because of the determination, because of the professional skill. What leader skill? What leader skill? See, skill is very important in that sector, because they are not leading only one person, they are leading the group of the people. In the group of the people, how many people are there? Maybe we take 50 people, 100 people, 100 people or 200 people. So he is leading, he is using his leadership quality, so that everyone should follow him. Whatever he is telling, whatever he is giving the instruction, everyone should follow. Why everyone should follow that instruction? Why? See, if you're following my instruction, why you're following my instruction? Because of the impact. Because how? Because if you're facing a problem, you're coming to me and I'm solving your problem. So if I'm giving you some instruction, so you're following that thing. It's not only that he is not being harsh. Leader won't be harsh all the time. Okay, you have to stick sometime, but not all the time. You have to convey your juniors, you have to get communication with them, you have to find out whether they are facing any problem, sit together and chat together and have some words. So what he's doing, he's built the leadership quality. All these things follow in the leaders. That leader should understand his junior, understand his colleague, understand the other person. He should treat that other person as a human. That human also, they are human. So even they have family, they have feeling. So if I'm respecting, if Ajahn sir is respecting all these things, okay, he is giving all these things to his people, to his colleagues. So in return, what he is getting? In return, the people, the colleagues or the soldier, he is respecting and he is following his order. So what he did at that time, the leadership quality he showed, how the leadership quality is generated, how the leadership quality is developed. That leadership quality is developed in the training period. When he entered in the Air Force, when he entered in the Air Force, all the people went to the training. All the people get the training. Why they are getting the training? So that they can build the professional skill. They can develop their professional skill. Okay. Because of this, he get the Padma Bhushan award. Because of all this, he get the Padma Bhushan award. And how? What the last? Visiting the forward based. Okay, he remains flyer at the end. Matlab, he's still fighting, and what he fly with the squadron, fly with the colleague, and he come with the victory. The lesson is based upon Ajahn sir, how in the Air Force, how the people are living, what are the professional skills they are developing, what is the determination, what is the leadership quality, and what he achieved in that period, what the difficulties he has faced, what the not he has faced, not Ajahn sir, but all the defense people, what the difficulty they are facing, what at what time period they are going through. See, they are living at the -10 degrees. Some people, army people are living in the forest area without any good resource, without any proper food material. Okay, without any comfort zone. They don't have beds also. In forest area, they don't have beds also. They are taking care, carrying their beds. They are taking carry their beds, and they are moving to the forest, from one forest to the other forest, and they build their tent. They are living in that area. There is no AC, there is no fan, nothing is there. But in that situation also they are surviving. Navy, they are moving into the -10 degree Himalaya region, that is so cold area, -10 degree, -15 degree. They don't have bathroom, nothing is there, but they are surviving. So that skill are developed in the training period. Air Force people, how to fly, how to fly the aircraft, okay, how to save the people, how to lift them. All these things are developed in the training period. This professional skill within a 6 month or within a 1 year training they are getting, and these skills they are developing in that time of the period. 2002, what he inspires all the personal armed forces. See, instead of writing Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, we are writing. Even my father, when I went to the for my college admission, I was like, what I have to write? So he told me armed forces. I was like, but Papa, you are in Indian Navy, na? Says no, no, no. Instead of Indian Navy, we can write armed forces. In armed forces, if you write armed forces, na, so it include all the three forces: Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Army. Don't specify Indian Navy. Instead of it, you have to write armed forces. Okay. So in armed forces, we include all the three forces. Okay. So what he did, he inspired all the three forces. He inspired all these three forces through his work, through his determination, through his professional skill. All this they all get inspired. In January 2002, Arjun sir awarded the rank was confirmed as the Marshal of Air Force. That is the highest rank. Marshal of Air Force. Okay. And what? He make him the first and the only 5-star rank officer. So at that time, he is the first rank officer. Okay. First, only 5-star rank officer. Why they link 5-star? See, we have stars. They have stars on their shoulders. Even when my father is there, na, he is having 1 star. So star represent that is the symbol. Star is the symbol, and it represent in all these armed forces. They represent different things. So in Air Force, 5-star means Air Marshal, Marshal of the Air Force. Okay, Marshal of the Air Force. Yes. And in 2017, as all we know, he died due to a heart attack, 16 September. So the death is natural cause because he, in a way, he is in a storm. Okay. So the death was natural cause due to a natural cause. What is natural cause and what was man-made? See, man-made due to some accident. Okay. Due to some accident, if he die, then we will say due to a man-made. Due to a heart attack, that is a natural. That is a natural cause. No one, the other person did not play anything. The person rule, the natural play its role. The natural play its role. Due to a natural cause, he died. Okay. So these are the word meaning. If you